Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting the controller and launching Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. First, plug in USB or pair via Bluetooth, then open Controls. Once done, pick the controller profile that matches your device, Xbox or generic, so the sim reads inputs correctly. Next, you choose the primary axis assignments. Assign roll, pitch, and yaw to the left and right sticks immediately. Make sure to save a new profile name to avoid overriding defaults, because you'll iterate from this stable starting point. Now you refine how the controller behaves. You need to calibrate dead zones and set response curves so small stick movements aren't noisy, but you still retain precision. Reduce dead zone to 0. 0 to 0. 0, 5 if drift-free. Then map secondary functions, flaps, gear, brakes, camera, trim, to spare buttons and triggers to reduce menu fumbling. Once mapped, test in a short free flight and adjust sensitivity sliders while airborne. This iterative checking ensures control feels natural for takeoff, climb, and approach. Finish by saving your polished profile and exporting a backup so you can restore settings quickly. You should fly a full route to validate trims, landing performance, and camera toggles. If something behaves oddly, open the controller diagnostics in Windows or in Sim Controls to see raw input values and recalibrate or remap the offending axis. If drift or unresponsive buttons persist, make sure the controller firmware is updated. Try a different USB cable or port and restart the sim. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.